name's Kerrigan. I'll be doing your haircut after you get your perm done with Kylie.
Perfect.
I just wanted to come talk to you before we start the perming process because I wanted to see your hair naturally and kind of what's going on before we do anything to it. I was wondering, what's your plan today for the haircut?
Just kind of keep the overall length. I still like the length of it, just kind of like a refresher of it, maybe clean up the ends at the end of it.
Yeah, it looks like you have some color in your hair from before and it's feeling a little bit crispier at the end. So I think that's a good idea, especially after getting a perm, just to give you like a refresh and make it last a little bit longer.
I agree.
Do you have any inspiration photos for me?
I do, actually. Something like this would be perfect.
Oh yeah, no, that's perfect. It's very similar to what you have right now, but it's realistic with the length, especially like once your perm is done. I already talked to Kylie about what you're gonna be doing, so I think this is a really realistic idea for what we're doing.
Perfect, sounds great.
Okay, amazing. Well, with that being said, I've had a look in your hair and then Kylie will take over everything else and I'll see you afterwards, okay?
Amazing, sounds great.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.